Oh, yes, Papa. Yes,
Another
baby.
one.
I see it moving around in the sack.
Yes, Abby. Yes, Abby.
That's so cool.
Wow.
Guys, Mom, move back. I need lights.
Where's the baby?
You see it?
There.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
There's no baby for that baby.
There it is.
It's black again.
Whoa, it's a nice color this time.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
We need to get that one on him.
It look like it. Like might be latching on.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, that one's pretty.
Oh, I see the nipple on another baby. See it?
Oh, that's his belly button.
Dogs have belly buttons.
Why is it all tied up like that? Hope it grows out.
Now the other baby's
Nice
getting
baby.
milk.
Yeah.
I just love that
Baby
one.
number 3 has a long tail.
I like Crawley. That is Crawley.
Crawley ain't finding no bottle of milk. Crawley crawling everywhere and can't find milk yet. It head over here now.
He's trying to find the nipple.
The baby. Good girl.
Crawley, so too much crawling. Come here, Crawley.